Is that your phone?
Yeah. Yeah, it is.
Oh no.
Story.
We're late. We have to go.
I can't even see your face.
Oh, that. Can't see me? Whatever.
The lighting is really bad.
Hurry up. We have to go.
Run, Dory! I'm gonna fall down the stairs. Oh, fireworks! 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 Oh my god! I'm really badly filming. Fireworks! Fireworks! Where'd they go? How'd they get there?
I don't know. How do you get over there? Do you guys know how to get over there?
Right there. Sounds like an epic journey.
It does.
Epic.
Hello.
Where'd we go? Right there. I have Caitlin's phone in my pocket. Her phone dropped. Why did she trust me with it? Why'd she do it? How am I gonna multitask?
Calm down. Where are the dogs? Me.
Where's the dog? I don't know.
Oh, you don't? Yeah.
Where's the dog?
No, I'm not.
What?
Well, how am I supposed to multitask?
With a blowtorch.
Oh my god.
Pick it up.
Okay.
Don't hit me.
Like that.
Nikki, go. No,
I can't really see your face. Move over there more. Move over there.
Over where?
I don't know, but the lighting is really bad.
I need to get some of you. Gracias, senor. Two of them? Oh, I need it.
Oh my goodness.
Oh,
I can't even see you. It's so dark.
You can see me?
you want one?
Kind
Yes,
of.
please.
It's really dark.
Oh my god.
Woo.
One more?
I would love one.
One more. There you go.
Thank you.
All right, move away. Over there. Over there. Over there.
I
feel like a wizard.
Oh my god! That was priceless. I full out scream. I'll link your channel, Tori.
Yeah, really?
Sure.
We're the two monkey trainers, me and my friend.
Who's not here?
She's not here.
Oh my god! Fireworks! Fireworks! Can't wait to see them. I don't like fireworks. Let me scream.
Actually, no, I had a firework go at my head one time.
That's scary.
Oh my gosh, it was terrifying.
Okay, guys.
It might not be on my face.
It's on your face.
Yay! Thanks for filming that, Caitlin.
You're welcome. This is like the first time I've ever been in your vlogs, and you've mentioned me twice secretly.
Oh yeah.
Yes.
She's never mentioned me in a
It's Sarah. Okay, so you know the friend she said she told about her pet peeve thing? Is it on my face?
Yeah.
Okay, well I was the one she was telling about her pet peeve. It was so cool. I was watching the video, I was like, cool.
Like mine's special. Cool story. What'd you
Yeah, I know. What is this here?
Caitlin, I ate it. Nice talk.
Good talk, good talk. Dude. No, actually you did. Where'd you go? Why am I filming? I don't know. Oh yeah, it's with your camera. Yeah. So, what have we talked about so far? Have you explained the fireworks? They are fireworks. What do I have to explain? Did you not? Well, Red,
Wasn't me. She had some attached to her. And
what am I filming? I can't see anything.
Hey.
So blank screen. Oh, that's my hand.
My thing went
can't tell. Ow! Shut